Hello, and today's lesson is over sonnet poems. If you don't know what a sonnet poem is, they are poems that have 14 lines, 3 stanzas, 10 syllables per line, follows an A-B rhyme pattern, and has a couplet. And a couplet is 2 lines that conclude the poem and rhyme. So we have a poem below here called Unaware by Caitlin Genther. Let's go ahead and look to see if it follows the requirements to be a sonnet. It says, isolation quickly overwhelms me, begging for forgiveness, a fallen hand, desolation I now begin to see, hanging by a thin thread, a single strand. I watch them, their fears, their misbehavior, mistreat, abuse, completely unaware. I am the land, their glorious savior. Someday they will learn to treat me with care. I wish they would learn to trust each other, to join as one, to stand strong together. A bond and a mighty brother, forever as one, a powerful tether. You may not know that fear is their captor, so you may not see each other's special factor. So first we're going to go ahead and count the lines and make sure that it has 14 lines. It shows, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So that meets that requirement, 14 lines. Let's see how many stanzas it has. It has 1, 2, 3 stanzas. And that is the requirement, 3 stanzas. Does it have 10 syllables per line? Easiest way to do this, as we've discussed before in all of our poems when it comes to syllables, is to clap them out or count them on your fingers. So let's see. Isolation quickly overwhelms me. That's 10. Begging for forgiveness, a fallen hand. That's 10. Desolation I now begin to see. That's 10. Hanging by a thin thread, a single strand. That's 10. I watch them, their fears, their misbehavior. That's 10. Mistreat, abuse, completely unaware. That's 10. I am the land, their glorious savior. That's 10. Someday they will learn to treat me with care. That's 10. I wish they would learn to trust each other. That's 10. To join as one, to stand strong together. That's 10. A bond, and a mighty brother. Good. Forever as one, a powerful tether. That's 10. You may not know that fear is their captor. Good. And so you may not see each special factor. Again, that is 10. So every single line has 10 syllables. Good. Let's go ahead and look at whether it follows the A-B format. The way you do this, guys, is lines 1 and 3 will rhyme, and lines 2 and 4 will rhyme. That's an A-B rhyme pattern. So, me, see, hand, strand. We're good there. Misbehavior, savior, good. Unaware, care, good. Other, brother, good. Together, tether, good. So that follows that. A couplet. This is a couplet right here. The last 2 lines that rhyme. Captor, factor. And it meets that. So this is a good sonnet. So what you guys are going to need to do for this lesson is you're going to need to create a new doc. You need to put your name on the doc. The doc needs to have 20-point font. It needs to have 14 lines. It needs to follow the A-B rhyme pattern What you need to do for A is to bold the lines. For B's, you need to italic. And again, if you're not sure where that is, bold is right here under the B, italic is under the I. It needs to have 3 stanzas, it needs to have 1 couplet, and it needs to have a picture. After you have done all of that, you need to print it and you'll turn it in. If you ever need any questions to be answered, do not hesitate to ask me, and I will see you guys later.